Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and a good deal. Features also include alloy wheels, rear-view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Make a great choice today with the 2016 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.